From the first interaction, the Flowbuds N55 feel intuitive. Pairing is fast, and Bluetooth 6.0 ensures a stable connection with minimal latency. The touch controls are responsive and logically mapped, supporting playback, call management, and ANC mode switching. With ANC off, total battery life reaches up to 40 hours, including the charging case, while enabling ANC reduces it to approximately 35 hours. Individual earbud usage ranges between 10 to 12 hours, depending on ANC and codec usage. Charging is handled via USB-C, with a full recharge cycle taking approximately 2 hours. The case capacity ensures multiple full recharges before needing to be plugged in again, reinforcing the all-day listening positioning. The HAYLOU Flowbuds N55 are a technically well-rounded set of true wireless earbuds that successfully integrate advanced features into a cohesive user experience. The combination of strong ANC performance and a large dynamic driver results in a sound profile that is both engaging and accurate. For users seeking a capable, modern TWS solution with meaningful audio credentials and practical ANC performance, the Flowbuds N55 represent a compelling and rational choice in the mid-range segment.